Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to check out another video with Angel and myself. During this video, we are in between Grand Marais and Lutsen, Minnesota on the Cascade River State Park. So we try and come here once a year, once every other year or so, whenever we can. This is one of our favorite state parks. We've seen most of them. It's mid-April right now. A snowstorm came in. It always seems to in this spring. We got about a foot of snow, unexpected. So we're going to hike up to Lookout Mountain past the falls here. If you'd like these types of videos, hit subscribe. Hit right on the bottom right there, and then you'll keep getting them as they come out. Chilly.
Yeah, it is chilly. Yeah, but once you start walking a bit, you warm up.
Oh.
It's just roaring. Well, you can see Lake Superior in the distance on this side. Go swimming in that little pool down there, jump in. Wow. I can feel my feet are vibrating from the base of the falls. This is our favorite spot. I would say this is my favorite spot on the North Shores right here. And it looks like down there like it's boiling, like the water's just boiling. Wow, it's just so brown from all the iron in it. All right, let's go. Yeah, don't look down. See, there's a trail on the other side too. I've never been on that one.
They just about biffed it there.
Yeah. Yeah, there's lady slippers in here too.
I know, I remember they're so pretty. So pretty, yeah. I know, I love lady slipper orchids. I remember they're so pretty.
Yeah, we saw them in like a corner once or something like this.
I know.
What do we got here?
River? Do you want to go down the river? Might as well. You gotta drop water, right? Gee, what would we be doing if we were at home? Nothing?
Laying in bed, watching TV, sleeping in, watching Golden Girls, eating a bowl of oatmeal. Oh. See, if I remembered in the summer you could walk down here, but now it's frozen and you don't know where it would collapse, you know? So it's dangerous.
Very.
We gotta keep moving. I don't know if I'll need to do longer on day tomorrow. Whew! I catch my breath. 96 steps. All uphill. don't know if you can tell by the camera, but, or will be able to, this is all uphill. At least it'll be easy coming back. Elevation 1881. Well, we'll follow the sign, Outlook Mountain.
Yeah, true.
Because I think right now we're on this, actually on the Superior hiking trail. So we can take this all the way to Canada. Yeah. Whoa. See, look, to Superior hiking trail. We'll just stay on it for the rest of the day. They say you're not supposed to hike on these trails when they're mucky and muddy because it damages them, you know, makes potholes and ruts. And no, when there's snow over the top, then it doesn't matter.
Oh, this is so pretty up here. Look at the view. It's gorgeous. And the sun's coming out, or at least for a little bit. Look for critters. I gotta turn around and look at the view real quick. This is fun. I mean, I'm getting hot and sweaty, but this is fun. Yeah, I have all these layers on. So if you think you're hot, I'm really hot. I'm sweating. Well, it just means I'm burning calories, so. This is where I wish I had walking poles. I know. This is fun though. It's a workout, but it's so pretty. Oh, that's a really pretty view right there. You can see Lake Superior. Is this it? We're at the peak? Thank goodness. Whew. Wow, it's so pretty.
Well, thanks for taking the time to check out that video with us. If you can think of anywhere you would like us to visit, check out something off the map, that would be phenomenal. Put it in the comments there. Also, hit subscribe on the bottom right. It really does